Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. Today I'm going to give you some more updates that are introduced for MapKit in WWDC 24. So here I'm showing you some of the filters that are added to maps. So you can search for a type of place like tea, coffee, park, petrol station. There are certain categories, hospitals, etc. You can search for them easily by providing certain filters. And also you can view the information in the form of a pop-up when you click an annotation or a marker on the map. So I'm going to show you both of these things, how we are going to add them to our map using SwiftUI code. So this is the previous code of part 1. I am moving it to another view. And next I'm going to create another file with the name of filtered map view. Next I'm going to add a view here. And I'm going to show you how we can add filters to the map and display it on the map. So first, let's create a simple map view and the relevant parameters and then start writing the filter functions. Follow all of these steps as mentioned in this video. So to remove this error, I'm going to add here MapKit, which I haven't imported previously. So a selected item is going to be item that we are going to select, and that is going to show us a certain information on the top of the marker or annotation when it's clicked. So that is the purpose of selected item. How we are going to populate it, I'm going to show you in a while. And places is basically all of the places that are being returned after applying our filter. So here I'm iterating over the places that are passed in this variable places. And then we are going to create a marker for each of the place. Next, I'm adding here the filtering functions. First, we are going to find a city. And then in a certain span, we are going to find further places inside that city. So first, let's create a request. And we are going to pass here the name of the city, which is Lahore in my case. And then I'm going to add an address filter, which means that there are different type of address filters. So it can include certain type of addresses or exclude as well. So you can check off all of these options inside the definition of MK address filter. So here I'm including the locality. Next, I am creating a local search for this request. And then we are going to start searching for this, and that results are returned inside response. We are going to get the first item inside the response, which will be very close to the actual natural language query we are searching for. Next, I am going to search for places inside that city. So for city, I'm going to pass an MK map item and then my search text, which is the search text that I have shown you in the start, like tea, coffee, petrol pumps, hospitals, parks, etc. So it has almost the same code. There are just few changes inside the code that you are going to see here. So here I am creating a certain area around the city MK map item that I have got into this function as an argument. So I am searching all of those places inside a latitude delta of 0.1 and a longitude delta of 0.1. So that is the region. And obviously that region is going to be prioritized. That's why we have set it to dot required. Then we have applied the same MK local search that we have applied in the previous function. Here I'm going to create an asynchronous task and we are going to get a city, and then we are going to find different type of places inside that city. So basically you can find a certain string or a place inside a locality with this code. So it is very easy to apply filters using this code. So here I'm going to find all of the T places inside Lahore with a span of latitude and longitude of 0.1. So here I'm finding different places. So here I have basically decreased the delta, which means that you are going to find at a very narrow place. So if no place is found in that locality, no results are going to be returned, which happened when I have decreased the delta. So next I'm going to create a search text field on the top of this map, which is going to help us to find different type of places inside my city, Lahore. So just a small UI update in this code, add all of these code. So I am enclosing all of this code inside ZStack so that we can create a text field on the top of this map. So here I'm creating that text field, and I have moved the task to if start search, which is going to be starting the search when we are going to press enter by entering a string inside the text field. So you can use it, or you can simply start this search inside the onCommit function of the text field. So here I'm creating another asynchronous task, and I'm going to copy the code here. Now after that, you can easily comment out the previous code inside the task, because the text field enter key press is going to handle this search inside this onCommit function. So here I'm adding some of the UI elements to my text field to make it more visible. So you can see here on the right hand side in the preview, a text field is presented on the top of the map. So let's comment it out and let's start playing with the code. So here I've searched for tea. Now I'm searching for coffee. These are all the coffee houses in Lahore in a certain region. Next, this is going to be basically the way of showing the details on the top of a marker that is being clicked. So it is going to show you some basic information and the option to open in maps. There are different type of categories to select the selection accessory. If you make it to caption, it is only going to open this place inside maps. And if sheet, it is going to provide all of the details in the form of a popover sheet. So this is very much like the sheet of details that I have shown you in my part 1, but that also contains the map. This sheet does not contain any map. So now I'm going to add an address filter to my filtered place. So here I am adding some of the type of locations that are going to be excluded. Like if a locality, sublocality, or administrative area has that name, it is going to be removed from the search. So I'm searching hill and it is going to show me like 5-6 results. And if I remove this filter, it is only going to show me just one relevant result, which is the actual place, Shimla Hill. So this is how we are going to apply filters to narrow down our search, and how we can give a simple text field to search for a certain type of place inside my city. So this is all. This is how you are going to search for a place, apply filters to it, and how you can display the information inside a pop over small dialog box when you are clicking a marker. So there are going to be more updates from WWDC 24 that I'll be going to discuss in my next videos. Do not forget to like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.